Okay, so I was filming the Barbie challenge that is going viral on Insta. So everything is a mess right now, but मैंने सोचा कि let me like surprise everybody, not surprise, but like I want to see everybody's reaction with this kind of a makeup on. So let's do that. Let's see. मेरे को पापा का reaction, मम्मी का reaction तो देखना ही है. ये एक चैलेंज चल रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे. हाय पापा.
क्या हो रहा है? कैसा है तुम्हारा फेस?
कैसा है मतलब व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ये क्या हो रहा है पापा?
क्या लगा लिया?
ये एक चैलेंज फिल्म, ये अभी आप ही लेके आए हैं अभी. ये कॉटन और ये वो इसी वीडियो के लिए था. वाह पापा, आपका बहुत, मम्मी पापा दोनों का ही बहुत चिल रिएक्शन था. वाह, गुड, वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो अभी टाइम हो रहा है 5:30. मैंने लंच नहीं किया है, नहाया नहीं है, कुछ नहीं किया. एवरीथिंग इज़ अ मेस. सो पहली बात तो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक ऑफ माई मैग्नेटिक लैशेस और मैं फटाफट से नहाऊंगी, खाना खाऊंगी और उसके बाद आई थिंक आई फिल्म द रेस्ट हाफ ऑफ द वीडियो. ओ माई गॉड, मैं 3 घंटे से फिल्म कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ जस्ट नॉट गेटिंग ओवर, बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. तो नहाना हो गया, खाना हो गया. अब बड़ी ज़बरदस्त नींद आ रही है, लेकिन मेरे को सेकेंड हाफ फिल्म करना बाकी है अभी वीडियो का. तो मन कर रहा है बस ऐसे पसर जाऊँ बेड पे. बट मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं आज ही फिनिश नहीं करूँगी आई विल अगेन गेट लेजी. या फिर काम शुरू हो जाएगा कल से, तो टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू पुश थ्रू, चेंज एंड जस्ट फिनिश द वीडियो. सो माय बार्बी चैलेंज इज फाइनली अप ऑन इंस्टा. मुझे पता है कितना जुगाड़ करना पड़ा जस्ट टू हैव दैट वीडियो पोस्टेड. So I was watching Flying Beast के vlog. I've been really obsessing over their vlogs recently. Look at her.
जोर से और जोर से. यार क्या करें हम. सुमन, एक सवाल था मेरा. जैसे अंबानी है, कान की गुठली खाते हो कि नहीं? इनको क्या खाते हो? हम लोग तो लगे रहते हैं. यार हम कानपुर में हमारे घर में डॉगी था, उसको हम लोग गुठली देते थे. तो द गुठली यूज्ड टू बी वाइट. वो एक एक कण चाट रहा था, एक एक कण. जैसे दीवाना खाओ आपका. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, साइड वाला की गुठली? साइड वाला. लेकिन गुठली के अलग मजे आते हैं.
मेरे को भी साइड वाला अच्छा लगता है गाइस. गुड्डू क्या? मूबा
La la la.
हाउ डज द पिग गो?
Oink.
हाउ डज द पिग गो?
Oink. Oink. Oink.
मूबा.
La la la. दीदी. मूबा. La la la. अब बहुत ही फालतू बोल रही है.
फिर से
चार. मूबा. La la la.
ये कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया. मूबा.
La la la.
वो बहुत प्यार से बोलती है. तुम्हारा बिल्कुल
La
भी-
la la.
नहीं, मैं दांत के नीचे कुछ
होता है.
तो गुड्डू बोल रही है कि आज मम्मी विनी द पू लगे. गुड्डू दिखाओ विनी द पू.
हाँ, एक मिनट. देखो एकदम क्यूटी पत्ती.
मम्मा तुम ऐसे अपनी स्लीव्स को क्यों रोल कर लेती हो? इसीलिए वो तुमको विनी द पू बोल रही है.
ओके.
ये तो ऊपर से पहना हुआ है.
तुम भी ऊपर से पहने.
नहीं मतलब इतना ही पहना हुआ है, हम तो पूरे पहना हुआ है.
क्रॉप टॉप है ये.
मेरा तो कुर्ती है. व्लॉग को बाय बोल दो. गुड नाइट बोल दो लोगों को. तुम भी बोल दो भैंसड़.
गुड नाइट. ये ले कोविड कार्ड
है
गरम है.
ये क्या फ्लाइंग बीस्ट से इंस्पायर्ड है? क्या क्या है गुड्डू इसमें?
इसमें है ब्लैक पेपर, तुलसी एंड अदरक.
अच्छा, नॉट बैड. गाइस इफ यू आर वंडरिंग व्हाट इज दैट, वो है मेरा कैमरा, वो है मेरा रिंग लाइट. या मेरे से नहीं होता कि आई एम लाइक आई वांट टू कीप माय कैमरा इनसाइड एंड फिर सेटअप एंड एवरीथिंग, तो बहुत गंदा हो जाता. तो दिस इज द टेम्पररी जुगाड़. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है वैसे.
इसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम. अपेरेंटली इट्स नॉट अप टू द मार्क.
But it's kind of nice. Like it just like gave me like
It does feel good.
Does
You
feel
have
good.
growth. It just like gave me like a boost of just energy all of a sudden. Boost is not the secret of my energy, this काढ़ा is. भूख लगी रे भैंस.
कितनी भूख लगती है आपको? ओरियो खिलाया ना, काढ़ा भी पिलाया, नींद आ रही है, भूख लग रही है आपको. यू आर गोइंग इनटू योर हैंग्री मोड. बाय बाय तो बोल दे.
Bye.
तो डिसइंटरेस्टेड बाय अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए.
Bye.
सच अ फेक बाय.
So this is the cleanser that I'm using currently, the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I featured this on my Insta story and some of you were asking how is it working. It's working actually really great. It's very gentle on the skin. It barely foams up, which I kind of like, and overall my skin has been very balanced. It's not dry, it's not oily. It has been very balanced ever since I've started using this cleanser. So yeah, if you're looking for a good, very gentle and mild cleanser, then I think this is a really good one.
So face wash हो गया, मैंने ब्रश भी कर लिया by the way. So कल मैंने AHA टोनर यूज़ किया था, so I don't want to overdo it. आज नहीं करने वाली हूँ. By the way, talking about ceramide, मैं the Derma company, I think, if I'm not wrong, is the name of the brand. उनके website पे थी, and I saw that they have a moisturizer which has ceramide and hyaluronic acid, and I really want to try it because I feel like ceramide is one ingredient that of course is amazing for your skin barrier, and it works great on my skin because you know I've been using, this is my third bottle by the way, and it's not even ki isme ceramide is really high up in the ingredient list. It's somewhere in between, which by the way I started using this when I had very less skincare knowledge, and it just worked, and that's why I just kept recommending it. And then later on I found out that ceramide is actually really good for your skin. Okay, so if it was just my daytime skincare, I would have just used this and followed it up with my moisturizer, but because it's night time and यहाँ पे Bangalore में actually बहुत ठंड हो रही है, so you know I have to use something which is kind of heavy and emollient, so I've been using this one. I again featured this in my skincare routine, current skincare routine. So if you guys want to see, I have used up quite a bit of it actually, even though you don't need a lot. I've been using this quite consistently, and this much is more than enough. So I mainly like to focus it right here, and then whatever is left मैं बस इधर-उधर लगा लेती हूँ. So yeah, this actually is amazing for dry skin, guys. If you're dealing with any peeling or like cracked skin or something on your face, then this cream is just amazing. Okay, so while this is taking its time, I want to quickly show you guys this particular product again from Dot & Key. Now if you're wondering why am I like all about Dot & Key, the thing is जब मैंने वो दो products खरीदे थे, I had also bought this product. So this is their Night Reset Retinol and Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. And it has hibiscus and sea buckthorn berry. I love sea buckthorn as an ingredient for myself. मैं plum का sea buckthorn night cream use करती थी when I was in college, and that really used to work for me. So yeah, मैंने ये भी लिया था तब. And if you want to know where ceramide and retinol lies in the ingredient list, then actually the second ingredient in this is glycerin. Retinol is actually the second last ingredient, and ceramide is also somewhere in the middle. So yeah, that's that. Now I'm not really sure how much retinol, what percentage, but considering this is at the very, like, this is the second last ingredient, it is kind of nice because it's not going to be irritating on your skin, because if you know anything about retinol, you must know that it is quite irritating on the skin. And this is how the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. I mean, I know like you shouldn't really look for a product with packaging, but I mean this is one product where you get packaging and product both amazing, so that's nice. Now one thing I want to tell about this product is मैंने इसको एक बार just I think I just used this, you know, without any moisturizer. I had just used this, and it is very matte on the skin, so I don't like that. So the only way that I can you know, use this is after moisturizing my skin. Matlab without moisturizer it makes my skin feel very very stretched and dry, so that is something that you should keep in mind. But considering that this is, you know, a sleep treatment cream, I think you are anyway supposed to use this at the very last step. So you guys can see I've not really dipped the jar because मैं इसमें जो भी है उसको use कर रही थी, and I've only used it what, like 3 to 4 times till now in like 2 to 3 weeks. That is again because मैं बाकी के products try कर रही थी and I didn't want to overdo anything. So I'm again going to just take whatever is on the back of the cap and apply it. So I would say don't, if you are trying this product, don't, you know, replace it with your moisturizer because it is kind of like really really matte. So yeah, the days when I have used it, I have woken up with such amazing glowy skin. I cannot even begin to tell you guys like how glowy my skin looked the other day. And let's see how this works on my skin. If it works great, I will definitely make a review on this. But I just finished filming this look, lunch bhi ho gaya, and now I'm off to editing. I really wanted to experiment with green. Mujhe bilkul yaad nahi tha when was the last time when I did a green look, so this is what I did. So the workout was for 55 minutes, but I could only do 28 minutes and I've burned 237 calories, which is not bad considering I wasn't really working out continuously, and I of course don't want to do 15 minutes all of a sudden, otherwise I'll be extremely sore tomorrow and I wouldn't do workout for like again 2 to 3 days. So yeah, I want to like find a perfect balance of working out, not doing too much but also doing enough, you know, like that's, I feel like that is where I am lacking. Like I feel guilty of not working out for days together, and then when I work out so much and then I'm sore again and that cycle continues. So I feel like I have to find a balance. But anyways, my room is a mess. Oh my god, that that looks so funny. Like, hello, why are you covering your non-living objects? Anyways, that's all guys. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know this vlog was scattered all over the place. Nothing really eventful happened. It was, but I mean, it's just, it's my life, so, and this is how it went this week. But I really still hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoors, washing your hands continuously, taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.